I'm at Fearing's Farm in Abbotsford. It's a specialty rhododendron nursery, and there are so many plants. I'm here picking up for a client, but I want to buy them all. Oh, I love this place.
This is Calophytum open Cheyenne, which is a variety of Calophytum, but not as big leaves.
Yeah.
And not as nice as Calophytum.
Okay.
It looks like I don't have the straight Calophytum left. No. These are all open Cheyenne.
Those long stamens. Yeah, very nice. Greenhouse number 2.
This is Prevernum. That's the big early one.
Yeah, I like the leaves so much.
It's white with a purple blotch.
Shall we?
It's a nice plant, actually.
Yeah.
I think it comes really early. It's good too.
Okay, so it is 11 in the morning and our truck is full of plants, and me and Braden are ready to plant out for the house. So let's get this done. Let's find out how this goes. Here we are with all the plants. A couple of trees in the back, and then we're gonna start planting into here. Oh, the trees. Look at these winners ready to go in the house. We got the purpley blue rhododendron, a big azalea, no, that's another rhododendron. The Eddie's White Wonder dogwood, white flowering. Oh, nice rhododendrons. Color, color, color. And then the view, which Braden thinks is top notch. He wants to move here. Well, we've done a lot of planting. Must have been like hundreds of plants in, and you could see we still a lot more to go, but the garden is now filling in. Alright, we are planting trees. That's a Japanese maple burgundy lace, 8-footer. Last one in stock, very tough to find. Just unwrapped the vine maple's burlap. This is an, I don't know, 8-9 foot tree, 4 to 5 centimeter caliper is how they measure it from the base. So this size, 45 centimeters, and Braden is building our home for it. Yep. New little home.